Hey, my name is Eric, and this is my website here, my ePortfolio. I have some candidate info to start, my personal information. I am a sixth grade teacher in the China Mission School District. I teach math and social studies. That gives my technology background and my professional goals. I'd like to teach at the high school level eventually, hopefully within a year or two, and then I'd like to get 60 additional graduate hours after finishing this degree here. And personally, I want to read over 50 books in a calendar year. I try to read at least one book per week. So that's just about me. Then I have my technology philosophy here that you can go through and read. Definitely have added to that within the program. Lastly, I have my resume. Try to make the important things easy to find and try to make it nice and concise. As far as professional development plan, I just did what I would like to do per month in a subject, so math, social studies, reading. Went through here and did what projects I would like to do and the technology I'd like to use using those projects. Then I put up 3 different videos on tools fellow teachers can use in the classroom. I did one with quizzes. I'm a big fan of that. Flip Quiz is another technology thing I like to use. It's kind of a current day make a team instead of popsicle sticks. You can just throw out some random numbers and make teams and such like that. And then a math tool that we use for Math Workshop has a game-like feature that kids really take on pretty well, and they seem to try pretty hard on it. The videos with me teaching, I had my own students create a quiz using quizzes, which they liked a lot. That was fun, and then we took them. So they got to take a quiz their peers made, and they responded well to that. A project we do for social studies, they create their own civilizations. And then lastly, I had students listen to podcasts and fill out a form, basically a book report would be similar to what we did with that. Here are my article summaries. That assistive technology, internet connection for students can be an issue, and then screen time, which is a big deal nowadays, trying to manage that time. What's too much, what's not enough. Extra resources. The 10 helpful tools is going to be nice for people to see. This is a syllabus for a whole year of sixth grade social studies, which would probably be helpful for a new teacher or someone looking for something different than what they currently do. And some videos on some projects that we do here. And lastly, a digital poster. Kids like to make these digital posters. I made one for our classroom rules, and you could make them for a field trip. You could make them for field day, anything the kids can make. And the reviews are here. And lastly, my reflection on the experience that I had with the MIT program. And that is my ePortfolio.